My name is Kim Condon, and I am the founder and owner of Toonie Moonie Organics. Toonie Moonie began with the inspiration of creating a job that I would enjoy. Combining my love of good food and sweets was the premise of the creation of our first product line, Organic Marshmallow Cream. This product is a combination of a love nostalgic treat dating back to the early 1900s and a wish to develop a line of scrumptious treats in organic form. What is special about Toonie Moonie is that our products are unique. We're the only ones making these nostalgic treats in organic form. Our company has developed a wonderful team, an absolutely special, wonderful team. Beyond our doors, our customers are special. It never ceases to amaze us where Toonie Moonie goes. We love hearing the stories from our customers. They're so excited, or as we like to say, so over the moon, to have found a treat from their childhood, but in healthier form, in a healthier version. A very fond memory I have is of a recent trip to New York City. I was bringing my son and his girlfriend to JFK as they embarked on a trip to a wonderful adventure to Chile. After dropping the kids at the airport, my friend Ellen and I decided to visit Bear Burger. Bear Burger restaurants are a chain of restaurants featuring organic and all-natural burgers, shakes, and snacks, and they use Toonie Moonie Organic Marshmallow Cream in a few of their desserts. As Ellen and I ordered our veggie burgers and s'mores sundae, it was a bit of an aha moment. Here we were in a very cool restaurant ordering a yummy dessert made with our product. Not only was Toonie Moonie at Bear Burger, but as I sat there thinking, we were all over New York City at Whole Foods stores and in charming cafes and in customers' pantries.